Hi everyone, it's Dr. Nastel. First, I wanted to thank you for all of your hard work this week. You have been doing so much so quickly, so you should be really proud of yourselves. I'm learning a lot from you. I'm very excited about the things that I'm seeing, and I feel really fortunate that you're sharing this experience with me and also sharing some of your own preferences in your lives with me. So thank you for that. Um, I've also been thinking about some of the feedback I've received, especially from our colleagues who are working and who may have irregular work schedules. So you'll see I have the course calendar pulled up, and typically I offer the content on a weekly basis. I think that's important because it kind of makes us all do things step by step, which can help our writing improve. That's the reason I do it. However, I understand that work schedules are different and basically everything is different because of the pandemic. So I will be releasing the content for the rest of the month. I'm going to get that done by Monday at the very latest, but it will probably be sooner than that. So you'll still have your weekly due dates, but you'll be able to access everything ahead of time. You can work ahead if you would like to. And then if you have questions on any of the information, please just reach out to me. So I also wanted to draw your attention to kind of the purpose for breaking up the week into 2 assignments. I know it feels like a lot and it can sometimes feel like busy work, but I want to assure you the Thursday assignments are designed to make those Monday assignments easier. So the Monday assignments are typically big, your big assignments, your big projects. And the Thursday ones are a little bit less formal for you to try out some new ideas, get used to the format, and then get some feedback before you revise for Monday. So rather than thinking about them like 2 separate assignments, it's more like the Thursday assignments are progress toward those Monday assignments. Okay, so I'm going to release all of the content. We're going to use those Thursday assignments to get us ready for the Monday assignments. Please continue to contact me with any of your concerns or questions. We have group meetings on Tuesdays from 9 to 10 and individual meetings available Wednesdays from 9 to 10. If you can't meet during those times, please contact me and we'll set up a different appointment. You can also email me with your concerns or questions or a draft. And I would be happy to respond over email, but also like I could send you a video back or an audio back if you can't, if we can't schedule it in a phone call or video chat. If you have no idea what's going on and you're feeling really stressed out, contact me and we will work it out. I want to make sure I got everything. Okay, so thank you for your hard work. I hope that this change helps you out, and I really look forward to working with you. Thanks.